person's double parked, they can't get through. So people are gonna sit there and wait for the horn. Now as more people come up the block, they're gonna join in the honking party. Because there's no other option besides to go down the one-way street, which is Cruzon Road.